In this video, we'll show you how to pair with and set the schedule on the Elio convector panel heater. First of all, switch the unit on at the plug socket, and then wait a few moments until the Wi-Fi symbol begins to flash. This means that the device has automatically entered pairing mode. Next, open up the ECOSO app on your smart device, click the Add Device button, and select the heater when it appears on screen. Enter your Wi-Fi information, making sure that you're on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and click Next. The heater will now pair with the app. Once this is completed, press Done. To set a schedule, go into the ECOSO app, select the heater, and press the timer button. Click the Add button, select the time you want the schedule to start at, the days of the week you want the schedule to start at, if required, you can give the schedule a name, and select whether or not you want to hear a notification when the schedule begins, and obviously select On. Click Save. Now we'll want to add a second schedule. This is to turn the heater off again, so select the time you wish for it to turn off, days of the week, name the schedule if required, select if you require a notification, and in this instance we're wanting it to turn off. Click the back button and click Save. The schedule is now set to come on between 9 and 12 AM Monday to Friday. One final note, the schedule will always operate at the last temperature the heater was set to.